If you're looking for a smart thermostat, the ecobee is the one you should buy. When it comes to smart thermostats, Nest is the name that everyone knows, but it's not necessarily the smart choice. The ecobee Gen 3 and 4 have some features that make them better than the Nest, the main one being remote sensors. These remote sensors don't just measure the temperature but also pack motion sensors. So, if you place one or several of these around your house, the system figures out where you are and sets the temperature so that that room is the comfortable one. It's a simple idea, but it's quite a departure from the norm, where the entire house's temperature is based on wherever your thermostat is mounted. Collectively, they can also determine if you're at home or away, in the latter case, switching off your system to save energy and money. Now, Nest just introduced sensors for its system, but they don't have motion sensing, so they aren't as intelligent. You have to tell the system where you are. ecobee says you'll save up to 23% on running costs versus just keeping your home at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 22 Celsius with a regular thermostat. The device supports a bunch of different heating systems, from conventional setups to heat pump, gas, oil, electric and dual fuel systems. It can control additional devices as well, like humidifiers, dehumidifiers and ventilators if you have multiple separate AC units, but you'll need several thermostats. They will appear in the same app. Installation is pretty easy, although the menus you cycle through can really give you the feeling that you're dealing with a small computer instead of a thermostat. The system won't run on a battery. It needs a constant power connection, and that requires something called a C-wire, which not all systems have. If yours has it, you can just snap the ecobee onto your wall and wire it up. If not, ecobee supplies an adapter kit that needs to sit somewhere near your system so it can supply power down an existing wire. You can also take this opportunity to run a new cable that includes C-wiring if your furnace supports it. ecobee is compatible with Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit and Samsung SmartThings. The ecobee Gen 4 has a speaker and microphone inside with Amazon Alexa voice service, so you can issue Alexa commands to the thermostat itself and get replies from it. But it's not a replacement for a complete Alexa unit, and you can switch that function off if you don't want it. The unit costs $249, but it's often on sale for a bit less. If you don't need the Alexa functions, buy the cheaper Gen 3 version, which is otherwise the same, but costs $169. TechHive rated the 4th gen version 4.5 out of 5. It's our top pick for smart thermostats.